Mesolithic period in India, economy, society, environmental changes, and microlithic technology. UGC Net Anthropology. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. Anthronet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Anthronet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Mesolithic period in India. Mesolithic economy and society. Post-Pleistocene environmental changes. Microlithic technology, composite tools, and bows and arrows. Introduction to Mesolithic period. Mesolithic means Middle Stone Age. Period between Palaeolithic and Neolithic. In India it dates roughly from 10,000 BCE, 6,000 BCE. Characterized by microlithic tools and changing lifestyles. Humans adapted to new environmental conditions after the Ice Age. Mesolithic economy. Economy mainly based on hunting and gathering. Hunting animals like deer, antelope, wild cattle, and birds. Fishing in rivers and lakes became important. Collection of wild fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, and honey. Early evidence of animal domestication, especially dogs. Some sites show initial stages of plant cultivation. Mesolithic society. People lived in small groups or bands. Lifestyle was semi-nomadic. Settlements located near water sources. Evidence of huts and temporary shelters. Use of ornaments made from bones, shells, and stones. Burial practices indicate social and cultural development. Art and culture. Development of rock art and cave paintings. Paintings show hunting scenes, animals, and dances. Use of natural colors like red ochre and white pigment. Evidence found in rock shelters of central India. Example: Bhimbetka rock shelters. Post-Pleistocene environmental changes. End of the Ice Age, Pleistocene, around 10,000 BCE. Climate became warmer and wetter. Glaciers melted, causing rise in sea levels. Expansion of forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Impact of environmental changes on humans. Increase in variety of plants and animals. Humans adopted a broad-spectrum economy. Greater dependence on fishing and plant gathering. Settlements became more stable near rivers and lakes. Development of new hunting tools. Microlithic technology. Microliths are small stone tools, 1 to 5 cm long. Made from stones like chert, chalcedony, jasper, quartz. Produced using blade and pressure flaking techniques. Sharp and efficient tools. Types of microliths. Common shapes include blades, points, triangles, trapezes, lunates, crescent-shaped tools. Importance. Easier to carry. Used in composite tools. Composite tools. Tools made by combining microliths with wood or bone handles. Microliths fixed using resin or plant gum. Examples: spears, knives, harpoons, sickles. Made tools stronger and more versatile. Bows and arrows. Important innovation of the Mesolithic period. Arrowheads made from microliths. Bows made from flexible wood. Advantages: long-distance hunting, greater accuracy, safer hunting. Rock paintings show hunters using bows. Important Mesolithic sites in India. Major archaeological sites. Bajor Archaeological Site, Langnage Archaeological Site, Adamgarh Hills, Chopini Mondo. These sites provide evidence of microliths, burials, and Mesolithic lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.